What's up, y'all? It's your girl Drell, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, this is another lock video. Y'all know I still got these locks in my head. This is gonna be the pros and cons of having locks, girl. And I feel like I'm a lock expert, a full lock expert, a soft lock expert. Girl, I'm an expert. Okay, I'm an expert this time. Now we gonna start off with the pros, and we just gonna keep it going. All right, first pro is they long lasting, and y'all should already know that's the truth because boo, I've been having these in since about February 16, 17, 18, something like that, girl. Around that time. They super long lasting. This is going on month number, next month is gonna be month number 5. Girl, I'm about to take them out. Don't worry, I'm about to take these out. They've been in my head for about 4 months now. It's like June 24th today or something like that. So yeah, they've been in my head about 4 months. Next month gonna be month number 5. The next pro is they are versatile. They go with everything, like everything. You want to wear a dress because it's summertime right now. If you want to wear a dress, your locks gonna go with it. If you want to wear jeans, it's gonna go. Like, locks go with everything. If you ask me, locks literally go with everything. I haven't seen nothing that locks don't go with. Like, even in the wintertime, you know, when you could wear a trench coat with like a little turtleneck and like some leather pants, locks go with it. It's given very much versatile. Locks could go with any and everything at this point. The third pro is locks is low maintenance. Like, you don't have to do much with your lock. If y'all remember in my lock maintenance video, if you haven't seen that, it's gonna be linked up in the cards if I haven't linked it already. Okay, y'all, my SD card ran out of storage. Girl, I don't remember where I left off, but I put a new SD card in, so we should be good for the rest of this video. What was I saying? I think we were talking about low maintenance. These is low maintenance. I washed them one time. After my lock maintenance video, I refreshed the back. Like, I got rid of some of the buildup with like a little bit of oil and a little bit of conditioner. Girl, you could wake up in the morning, just wear it straight down, middle part. You could throw all your locks to the side. Well, you know, have your little side part. Girl, you could put it up in a ponytail. You could have a low ponytail. Girl, there's so many different styles you could do with this hair, and it's low maintenance, like I said. Unlike having like a wig, girl, your wig, your lace be lifted and all that. Wigs are more maintenance than locks. That's obvious. Braids are really low maintenance as well, but I feel like you could get away with wearing locks for a way longer time because the older they get, the better they look, the more natural they look. The next pro for having locks is you get major hair growth. If y'all don't know this by now, y'all should already know when you leave your hair alone, that's when your hair grows the most. At least it's like that for me. And y'all, if I didn't have my scarf on right now, I'll show y'all my back, like my kitchen, the back part of my head, period. I haven't retwisted, haven't done nothing to it. Girl, I have about this much, and yes, I don't have press-ons on. I have about this much growth on the back of my head. So yeah, you get major hair growth with this. Girl, all you need to do is oil your scalp. That's all you need to do is oil your scalp. Another pro is if you're a person that wants to get locked, like permanent locks, but you're not too sure how you will feel about it, how you will look with it, or you just don't want to commit to it right now, this is a good alternative. Like, you could put this in your head and take it out whenever. I mean, I wouldn't advise you taking it out like 2 weeks within you put it in your head, because what was the point? But you can, it's like you don't have to commit to locks if you the type of person that want locks. Me personally, I don't want no locks, but I love me a good lock, if that makes sense. I just love this style on me. It just looks good. But yeah, if you want locks but you don't want to commit to locking your hair up, get you some full locks, girl. You can't go wrong. Get you some full locks. You're gonna see how you look with locks. You get the, you know, see how to maintain them depending on how long you keep them in your head, and you could just go on from there. Next, let's move on to the con. First con is you can't really get them wet, especially if they this long, like 30 inches. Girl, do not call yourself trying to go to no pool, go to the beach. You won't get all in the water, girl. And especially if you have a lot in your head, like I have 125, girl, do not get these wet. Do not get them wet unless you feel like blow drying them for days, okay? If you got like 18 inch in your head, maybe, because 18 inch is still pretty long. My sister has 18 inch and it's like to her tailbone, I believe, or like right above her tailbone, and she's probably about the same height as me. Maybe she might be 5'6". She might be 5'6". I'm a little bit shorter maybe. But if they like 18 inch, maybe even 24 or 22, to me personally, it's a con. You can't really get these wet without having to dry them forever. Or if you want to air dry them, it's gonna take forever. They're gonna start to feel heavy. It's like locks are already lightweight, but once you get these jones wet, it's over with. Like when I washed these locks, girl, I was in the shower like this. Oh my god, like it was heavy, girl. It was heavy. So that's the con. You really can't be getting them wet, girl. You can't really go swimming. I mean, if you get caught in the rain, that's different. But you can't be going swimming, diving into the pool. You can't be doing that with no locks. I'm sorry, unless they short and you don't have a whole bunch in your head. Next is they take forever to take out. Okay, I have this new method that I do to put them in. So I don't really know how it's gonna go with me taking it out because this is my first time doing it like this, but I feel like it's gonna be pretty easy to take it out. Only the lock itself is crocheted, and the wrapping half, I just wrapped it around. You gotta have a good grip if you're doing it like that. Just wrap it around. And the next kind, same thing with taking forever to take out. They take forever to do, especially if you're doing it on yourself, because me personally, I do my own hair. Okay, if you're going to someone who been doing locks for a good little minute, okay, you might be sitting in the chair maybe 4 hours, maybe. I didn't see them, they just be wrapping. But girl, one thing for sure and two things for certain, these things take forever to do. And it might just be because I always like to get a lot in my head. When I see other people with locks, it be looking like they be having about 40 in their head. I'm sorry, I'm not wearing locks with 40 in my head. If I'm gonna have locks, I want a full head of locks. Next time I do locks, I'm not gonna do 125. I might do like 80 because I like the way 80 looks on me as well. It's not too much, not too little. You know, it's just right for me. It's a full head of locks. It's just they just take so long. Girl, the parting takes forever. Braiding it, like... And then when you're doing it yourself, you need to see in the mirror to make sure your parts straight, semi-straight, if you could get them like that. Like, they take forever to do and they take forever to take out. The next kind is, girl, you can lose your edges. Your edges could be thinning if you don't leave like a little bit of your edges out, or if they just like too tight up here. If you're the type of person that don't like to leave your edges out, and if you have them too tight, girl, your hair is going to start to pop. When you go to lifting them up, putting them in different styles, girl, you're going to lose your edges. And last thing I want for you is for you to lose your edges, because girl, one thing about it and two things for sure, I don't want to lose my edges. No ma'am. That's why I left some of mine out. Girl, I don't even style them, but I still left them out because I'm not even about to play like that. I still left them out even though I don't be styling them. I styled my edges maybe about 3 times since I had these locks in my hand. I've been having them in my hair for 4 months. Yes girl, I'm not even joking. And the last and final kind is they get frizzy and they start to stick together. After a while. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, like right here, girl, they start to stick together after a while. Once you done had them in for a good little minute, you'll get like these loose little strings on them, like loose little pieces of hair. Y'all can't even really see for real. Let me see. Yeah, y'all get like the loose little strings or whatever, but it still be looking good, girl. It still be looking good. It's just they start to stick together. Oh, and it be sticking. Like if you wearing a jacket with a zipper, girl, best believe it's gonna get caught on that zipper, girl. It's gonna get caught on that zipper every single time. See how the lock is right here? Some of them will start to do this after a while. Girl, yours probably not, because you probably not gonna leave yours in as long as me. But after a while they do that. And I only have like a, not even a handful that's like that, like literally a few. It's not many in my head that's like that. But besides that, girl, I think the pros outweigh the cons. Whenever you think about it, the pros really outweigh the cons, because you could prevent your edges from popping. You really could. The cons, I think the pros outweigh the cons. All in all, the pros just outweigh the cons. Okay, y'all, so that's it for this video. Like I said, if you haven't seen my lock maintenance video, I'm gonna link it down below so y'all can check that out if y'all haven't seen it in the cards, or if I forget to put it in the cards, but I'm probably not gonna forget. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I told y'all I'm that bitch from the south. I knock a nigga socks off. I'm outside swinging sticks. I ain't talking top off. I been killing features. I'm on everything like hot sauce. So don't act